Sometimes it might be necessary to filter your input data and use only a part of it in your automated evaluation with Mnova Gears. A way of doing this is using a mapping file, which is a CSV document containing the datasets and other parameters that can be used in the evaluation. You can upload a mapping file by clicking on the filtering option in the Input tab. Then easily configure Mnova Gears to read the parameters correctly. First, you must set the column with the data to be used for matching. Here, the assistant provides a view of the CSV which is convenient for the selection of columns to match. Then, you can set the row at which the matching should start and decide whether to read until a specific row of your CSV. You can also read the well plate position, the compound IDs and the compound smile structure. Once you've completed the configuration, click OK. Your input is now filtered correctly with the selected parameters.